Do I look familiar? Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for fleeing and eluding law enforcement. I walked out, flagged you down, told you to stop, and you rapidly accelerated away from me. Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Dad. I'm getting arrested because an officer said I was fleeing and eluding. I was driving on Pioneer Trail. He came out and ran in front of, he didn't even fully run in front of my car. Now I'm getting arrested for it.
Can I talk to him?
Yeah.
Officer Riera with the New Smyrna Beach Police Department. Literally, I'm in the middle of the road. I'm a fully uniformed police officer telling her to stop. Not only does she not even apply the brakes, she rapidly accelerates away from me. And all of a sudden, she's gone nowhere. So then I obviously find the car and make contact with her.
Listen to me. You're being cocky. You're not even being polite. You're not even using manners. So now your car's going to get towed to the impound. You got to pay to get that out too now. So your nursing stuff is going to be screwed up now too. But guess what? You're going to spend the weekend in jail. All right. So when you get to jail, you get one phone call. So you figure out who you're going to call to get you out of jail. So when you call your mom and start her, she's going to make you sit. When you call me, I'll make you sit too because I'm not putting up with this.